Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Duran's Garage Builds, and yes, you are right, this is my brand new channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we want you to be part of this. What we will be focusing on today is, yes, a 2005 Mercedes ML500. We're going to be working on the windows, and that is water spot removals. Now, the history on this is I purchased this vehicle about maybe 4 months ago, and I just barely have time now to work on it. Just to give you a quick history, I've tried everything. I went on YouTube and I saw so many videos on home remedies on how to clean the windows, water spot removals. I purchased Meguiar's. I've done everything from water and soap, vinegar, and the whole thing, and nothing seemed to work. So what we have in store for you guys today, we're gonna go ahead and try this product that I purchased on eBay, and I bought it for $15. Now I was gonna buy this other brand that's called Glasswell, that's about $30, $32 or so, also on eBay. But I've kind of been, you know, I'm a money saver and everything. I saw this one product as I was scrolling down, and it said Ducky product, so that is what we're gonna be working on today. So let's go ahead and start with that right now. Let's see if we could probably work on this window. Look at all that streak. Now this is terrible. Purchased this car a few months ago, and let me tell you that whenever you get on the vehicle, I mean, it doesn't look bad from here, but as you close up, you could definitely see all that grime, all that calcium, all windows. I mean, there's just, I've tried everything from home remedies, videos that I have watched on YouTube regarding how to clean. You can't see it from the inside. This is the Ducky product, and it's the water spot removal. Removes for glass, quick and safety, blah, blah, blah. And I can tell you guys, I saw a video that said that if you use lava soap and scrub it on, that should remove it. I did that and it did not work. We're gonna go ahead and work and test out this product. This is the Ducky product, water spot removal. I bought this for $15 on eBay, and let's check this out and see if it works well. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and prep the windows by cleaning the windows with a glass cleaner. And then of course I have my microfiber towels. We're gonna apply the product with a cotton shirt, and then of course removing it with your microfiber towels. So enough of the talk, let's go ahead and get started. Paint, we're just going to use it on the glass or chrome, and let's really hope that this does the job, because I am so done with home remedies. It's got a little cap inside. I am excited. I am excited to see if this will work. Okay, so there we go. We got the little safety cap out of the way. You gotta tighten it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and use an old shirt, and then we will be using a microfiber towel that I purchased yesterday, brand new. Let's go ahead and test this out, guys, and see if it works. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and apply. So we're going to go ahead and use our cloth. We're going to apply a full coat. Now I am putting a nice amount of product covering the whole window. And then we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have let this sit for about maybe a minute or so, and now it's time to remove the product. As you can see, the product looks to be dry, and now we're gonna go ahead and use our microfiber towel, brand new. We're gonna start removing the chemical, and let's find out if this Ducky product water spot remover works. So I removed a little bit of compound and no water spots were removed. Nothing. Look at that. Absolutely, I am not happy. Nothing happened. Nothing was removed. Unless I did it wrong. All right, let's continue to remove the product. Like I said, so I let the compound, the product, sit for about a couple of minutes, and I have no idea why it didn't work. What if we try it now? So that didn't work. So the water spots are still there. Okay guys, so I'm a little confused because first of all, we applied the product and we removed it with a microfiber towel, and you guys saw, and as I could see very clearly, there were no water spots removed, not even close. But you guys can't see, but on this little spot right here, I went ahead and continued by just using the wet, damped cloth that has been built with the product, and I kind of just went just to mess around, just going a little step by step, chunk by chunk, applying it from the corners, just to see if maybe that will change, and it is. Now it's actually coming off. So I'm not sure if, well, I mean, a little confused, but you know what, it's coming out, so that's all that matters. And the best thing about this video, I had no idea if this was gonna work. Okay, so now that I applied it, let's go ahead and remove it with the cloth, with the terry cloth, and now it looks like it's coming out, and it looks great. There were no water spots at all, and then my glass is like very smooth. So now it's actually working. I have no idea. Obviously I did it wrong the first time. I did it wrong. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and continue to use this, or maybe I should go ahead and use the microfiber towel, damp that with the product, and then apply it and go step by step, go piece by piece. And now I have the whole cart to do, so I don't think you guys want to stick around with this. I thought it would be like you apply it like Windex or like any other product and then just wipe it off. But in this particular case, see, now it is moving, it's removing it, and it looks great. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, look at that clean. Actually, it's focusing. So as you can see, look at all the calcium, all the water spots that are in just one window, and we have only applied it to this little corner, and that corner looks great. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Now that I got this product, I'm going to enjoy driving my car even better. Wow, look at that. It looks awesome. Can you guys see it? I mean, I'm trying to stay in focus, and it's very hard, but look at that. Oh, it looks awesome. All right, let's continue. So I haven't gone through this part, obviously, and then this part I have. Look at that. Wow, look at all this. So all this I have done, and there's no signs, no signs of any calcium, of any water spots. So it definitely did the job. It's just a pain in the ass to apply and remove because I don't have a buffer. So let's continue. It looks great. It's looking great. I'm barely on the first one. Let's see. Can't see it, no, obviously. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the vehicle. I'm not gonna be recording it because that's just gonna take way too much. Now, the good thing about the Ducky product is that it does work. It did work. Unfortunately, the cloth has to be really damp, and then you really have to put a lot of pressure in it. So that's the bad thing. I'm gonna be here for quite a while because I have to do all the windows. It is a lot of hard work. The results are perfect. There were no streaks. There was no built calcium evidence. There were no water spots, in other words. 2 thumbs up. So I love the product. I thought it was great. It was only $15. That's great. Again, the bad thing is that you do have to spend a lot of time and a lot of pressure. But hey, you know what? Hard work equals good results. So there it is, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you found it very interesting. Again, Ducky products, it was great. It worked great. Unfortunately, you know, you do have to work pretty hard on it. But other than that, it was great. It worked great for me. I spent $15 on it. I bought it off of eBay. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe, like this video, and follow. Peace. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was very helpful. And if it was, or if it wasn't, go ahead and be a follower, a subscriber. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, like this video, share it, and let's see if we could actually get to what I want my goal to be is I'm gonna start off doing projects on my vehicles, which is, again, it's an Audi A5, my Mercedes ML, which I have a lot of things to do on this vehicle. I got to change a lot of suspension parts. I got to replace the rack and pinion. I got to do a tune-up. I got to replace the coolant. I got to flush the system and put the correct Mercedes antifreeze, because it's got the green antifreeze, which is okay, but I want to go original, so I'm going to be doing an antifreeze flush on the Mercedes. I'm going to do a lot of suspension upgrades, not upgrades, but replacements. I'm going to replace that rack and pinion. I'm going to see if I could replace the inner panels from the ML. I'm going to be replacing the headliner on the Chevy Cruze. I'm going to be also replacing the timing cover, the upper and the lower, on my Audi A5. So stay tuned for all those videos. It's going to be fun, so come along. If I could do it, I know you guys could do it. I'm no mechanic, I'm no master mechanic. I'm just a regular Joe, just trying to work on my cars and helping you guys as well. And my goal actually is to one day, which I know I will, buy a car from Copart and fix it up, rebuild it. I've seen a lot of guys do it and it looks fun. I like working on vehicles. I like doing all my other stuff on my car, and let's do that. And if I could do it, you guys could do it. So peace to all you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like this channel, this video, share it with others if you like, and if not, I wish you guys well. So peace.